Micron Superior. Here we have Micron Superior, manufactured by Prevest Limited, a glass ionomer type 2 restorative material for interim restorations of deciduous tooth and restoration of semi-critical and non-critical areas. The kit has 15 grams of powder, 10 ml liquid, dispensing spoon, a mixing pad and an instructional manual. For manipulation, take 1 scoop of powder and 1 drop of liquid. A small portion of the powder is first mixed with the liquid and then the bulk portion is incorporated and kneaded in a folding motion to achieve a putty consistency. It can be easily carried using a cement carrier.